Hi friends, in this video we are going to see the unboxing of Zenfone MaxPro M2. This phone is the upgrade for Zenfone MaxPro M1. Here is the retail sales package. I have ordered this phone during the first sale and I have ordered the 4GB variant. 3GB and 6GB variant is also available. I will give the links in the description box. Please do check that. Here are some of the important features of Zenfone Max Pro. Let's try to remove the cover of the box. And let's remove the phone from the box. And on opening the box you will find this brochure type. Inside that you can see the SIM ejector tool. Here is the SIM ejector tool with Asus branding. Inside this box you get a booklets and the transparent case for your phone. And here is the phone itself. Let's peel these covers. And here is the phone. At the back you can see that it looks like a glass bag, but it is not glass. And this is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see what we got inside the box. Inside the box we have a travel adapter. The output of this travel adapter is 5 volts 2 amperes. And also we get a USB to micro SD cable inside the box. That's the inside contents of the box. Now let's try to power on the device. Asus Zenfone MaxPro M2 runs on stock Android. I will go to the setup process quickly. Select the language and click on let's go. Okay guys, the phone has been booted up and this is how it looks. You can see that you don't have any bloatware. It comes with stock Android. Let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. System, about phone. Here you can see that the version of Android is Android Oreo, that is it runs on 8.1 out of the box. Now let's see whether we have got any update. Click on system update and it is checking for if there is any update. Currently there is no update for the phone. Under settings itself, go to storage. Out of 64GB, approximately 10GB is used by default. So you have 54GB free space on the phone. This is how the phone looks. The phone looks premium and the build quality of this phone is also good. Now let's look at the physical overview of the phone. This phone comes with 6.26 inch Full HD Plus display and it has got 13 megapixel front facing camera with notch. At the back you got a dual camera setup, 12 plus 5 megapixel rear camera setup with flash and fingerprint scanner, Asus branding. At the top you have got a noise cancelling microphone, if you can see properly, and to the right side you got a volume rocker up and down and power button. At the bottom you got a micro USB port for charging and speaker grill, 3.5mm port for your headphones, and to the left side you got the SIM tray. On Zenfone MaxPro M2 you can use 2 SIMs and a micro SD card. This phone is powered by Snapdragon 660 octa-core processor and it is equipped with 5000 mAh battery. This phone is a direct competitor to Redmi Note 6 Pro. Now let's look at the camera. Let's power on the camera. Okay guys, now let's take a selfie. Let's take a few samples in artificial light. I will take few more photos with this phone and I will attach them at the end of this video. And here is the case which we got with the box. Now let's keep the case on the phone and see. The quality of cover is good. This is how the default case which is provided in the box looks on the phone. That's it guys, here is a short unboxing video of Zenfone MaxPro M2. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.